1. Action. Hi gente, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to be back here. Today I'm actually recording a skincare routine. So I don't have the best skin ever. I do have I don't need water. I maybe need a little bit of water. Water is good for your skin, so está bien. So I am very excited. The holidays are coming and I personally think that it's the best time to talk skincare. We want to get our skin all prepped and ready for all that makeup that we're going to pile on. And the weather has also been changing. Here in Florida, we got like 2-3 days of freezing weather, so my skin is oily but dry. I don't know if it makes sense, but it's oily on the surface but my skin isn't like absorbing moisture. So with these steps that we're going to be doing today, I'm really going to make sure to pack that moisture on so that my skin isn't oily and it looks very nicely hydrated. Before we get on with the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and if you want to be notified every single time I upload, you can hit the notification bar down below. Let's get started. First things first, I'm gonna go ahead and remove my eye makeup. I mean, today I did like a very natural, no makeup look, but I still want to make sure to remove that eyeliner and my mascara. So I'm gonna be going in with the Neutrogena oil-free eye makeup remover. I've had this for a while and it's such a good product. It really breaks down any product, any mascara that you have in there. So I like to go in with this before anything. I take a Q-tip and I make sure to really shake it. Shake, shake, shake. No, I can't say that because it says shake your booty. No, we don't shake our booties here. So make sure to shake it. But not like the song. I'm gonna dip my Q-tip. I need a mirror. Can I have a mirror? I don't know what I'm removing. I'm gonna look like a raccoon in a couple of seconds, but I'm really making sure to break down all that product. Don't get scared, guys. I'm gonna open my eyes, okay? Don't get scared. So I have just a little bit left, but I'll remove that. Oh my god. I'll remove that with my balm. So okay, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit for you guys. There we go. Oh my god. All right, so that's the one side. I'm removing the excess of the mascara because I don't want to scare anybody over on YouTube. So, okay. So now I'm going to take this Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. It's an oil and we've been told a lot you can't use oil on your face if you have oily skin, but this breaks down all your makeup, especially if you've been out all day, if you've been wearing like heavy foundation, powders, a lot of like concealer, a lot of eyeshadow. This is the best thing ever because a little bit goes a long way. So I'm taking just a little bit, putting this on the palm of my hand. I also have a wipe accessible because I'm gonna remove the excess with a wipe. I used that tiny bit and it really broke down all of the makeup that I had on. So I would normally wipe this off and then go in with my soap, so that's what I'm gonna do. Just gonna gently wipe this. To wash my face, I'm gonna use the Cetaphil bar of soap. It's the Cetaphil facial bar for sensitive skin because I have oily skin that can at times be ridiculous and acne prone, so I like to use sensitive products on my skin. So with a little bit of water, I'm really gonna make sure. So in circular motions, I make sure to get right here, my nose. My eyebrows, don't forget about your eyebrows because then you get pimples on your brows and that's not fun, guys. It's not fun. It's a nice lather, and since I'm not in my bathroom, where's the towel? It's right here. I have a little bowl of agua and I'm gonna dip just a nice little towel and I'm gonna clean myself. Let me move this way. Okay, so I'm gonna gently remove everything, and I'm not using a white towel because my mother would kill me if I used a white towel to try and remove my makeup. So you might think to yourself, oh, my face is clean, I don't have to wash again. Mentira. Lies. You should always double cleanse, especially if you're wearing makeup, because look, here I go as a crazy lady, because you really want to make sure to remove all the makeup that you had in there, because then you'd be going to bed with makeup on and then that stays in your pores and then that becomes a pimple. I'm gonna go with my towel again. Okay, and I'm gonna remove that. And I think we're all done. So after patting my face dry, I have to go in with chapstick or something for my lip. There is nothing, like a pet peeve of mine is going about my day and like feeling the dryness of my lips and just how they're chapped. I don't know why. So I'm going in with the original chapstick, and I'm just gonna make sure that my lips are nicely coated. This is the first step to my skincare. All right. For my actual skin, I like to go in with a toner. I've experimented with some toners and I can't use anything that's gonna add moisture to my skin. I need something that's gonna mattify the skin because it really helps control my oils. So I like to use the Clean and Clear Essentials Deep Cleaning Oil-Free Toner, and I just use a cotton pad and I like to soak that. So I just like to pat that all over my skin, especially if I have any upcoming like zits, like you know, you feel those weird bumps. I like to apply this on that area because it helps dry everything up. So 1 to 2 times a week I like to go in with a sheet mask. You can always go the expensive route, but you know, I'm a girl on a budget. A good alternative is the Neutrogena ones. They sell them at Walmart, CVS, Target. I found these at TJ Maxx. They are green tea essence mask sheets. I want my skin to absorb all this moisture so that it's not oily. So I'm just gonna open this. Are you guys ready to see me? Que linda. I'm gonna look so pretty. Oh my god. I love how every sheet mask is always so cold when you first like take it out of the pack. My lips are not that low. Okay, so this is here, and something that I love to do, I love to just like push it into my hairline, you know, especially now that my hair's dirty, I have to wash it. So I can absorb all that moisture, especially right here on my neck. Cause if you didn't know, the first way people know if you're like older, I'm not there yet, but I'm saying, the way that people know that you're older is by your neck and your hands. So I take this and I just tap it lightly or just move it lightly because I want to be holding forever. And then this, I use it on my hands. So with sheet masks, you're supposed to have them 15 to 20 minutes. I had mine on for 15, but I still have that moisture, so I'm just making sure. And as you can see, I look like a glazed donut. So after the sheet mask, I like to go in with this special product that I actually got in a giveaway. This is like way out of my price range, but if you go like on Amazon, Ulta, also I was gonna say Forever 21, Sephora, they have great alternatives for serums. I'm using the Murad Recovery Serum. This is like caro, gente. It's kind of sticky when you first put it on, but it's really, really nice. So I use 2 pumps and I put it on the palm of my hand and I just pat that on. And again, it's sticky, but it feels so cooling and so refreshing on the skin. Like if you're tired, if you've had a long day and you need your skin to just look a little bit more vibrant, this is the product. It's such a great product. Before I go in with my moisturizer, I like to apply an eye cream. You are never too young to start applying eye cream. There are different things that you want to start looking for depending on your age. I'm in my early 20s, 24, I'm like almost there. So I like to use something that's gonna help brighten it up a little bit and just kind of bring life to my under eye area, because as you can tell, a little bit of dark under eyes, but that's okay. I like to go in with the Ole Henriksen Total Truth Eye Cream. This has been discontinued. I got it at TJ Maxx. If you don't go to TJ Maxx, it's an amazing place to go for like higher end products. So I do have a alternative down below. Again, there are other things and you might want to change it up based on your need. This is more of a thicker cream, so I apply just a little bit to help my under eye. Like that. And I'd like to just dab it. You're gonna dab it not only in your under eye, but you'll bring it up around as well. And if you didn't know, the reason why we use the ring finger is because it's the finger with the least amount of pressure. So it's the best one to use whenever you're touching your eye or like putting on eyeshadow, putting on eye cream. It's the best one. This moisturizer is gonna work really well on my skin. I've used it before, so I know that like I can always go back to it and it's not gonna hurt me. When using your face cream, you want to kind of little ants all over your face. This is all. We're done with our skincare. Alright gente, so we are completely done with my current skincare routine. I do want to give a friendly advice. I know that there's a lot of you out there that maybe don't feel super comfortable in your bare skin. I do want to remind you that makeup just enhances your beauty. You're beautiful with or without makeup. So if you want to take the risk, take a couple of days and go barefaced. I encourage you to do it because again, you're beautiful just the way you are. Again, thank you so much for watching. Let me know down below what you liked about this video and maybe what you would swap and what are your favorite skincare products. I love you so much and I'll see you in my next video.